diverse cultures that make up the Philippines? One such culture is that of the Waray people. Here are 10 fascinating facts about them. Fact 1. The Waray people hail from the eastern Visayas region of the Philippines. They are primarily found in the provinces of Leyte, Samar, and Biliran. Fact 2. Waray is not only the name of the people, but also their language. It's the 5th most spoken local language in the Philippines, distinct for its use of the J sound, which is uncommon in other Filipino languages. Fact 3. The Waray people are renowned for their resilience. Living in a region frequently hit by typhoons, they've cultivated a spirit of perseverance and tenacity that is admired across the country. Fact 4. The Waray people have a rich and vibrant musical tradition. Their folk music, known as kuratsa, is a lively courtship dance performed at fiestas and other community gatherings. Fact 5. The Waray people's traditional cuisine is as diverse as their culture.